Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, hit that like and subscribe button right now, because I love to do the videos on the bicycles and all my bicycle projects. Now let's get into this as soon as possible. A couple of months ago I decided to buy some Cape Cod. This is the Cape Cod wool that's in there, and the main reason why I bought this was to restore the scratches on my cycle watch. So guess what? This thing over here worked pretty well. So guess what? I decided let's do the same thing on my Campagnolo bicycle parts that have oxidized pretty badly. And let me just show you some of the results that I achieved with this Cape Cod. Now let me just show you over here. You can pause and read what kind of precious materials or the metals it will restore. But this is how the kit looks like. It is this wool padding that comes inside, and it's pretty thick, so you do get quite a few inside. And I'm gonna put it aside right here. But at the meantime, let me show you what kind of results I got on my Campagnolo. This is a Campagnolo Victory, and let you see it right now. Now this one is 90% done, and let me just zoom in here and show you what I'm talking about. I would say this looks pretty amazing. Now the reason why I said it's 90% done, if you look in here, inside, right down there, I still have a lot of haze that I want to get rid of. What has happened, I kept polishing, so like this, I kept polishing at the outside, and it's pretty damn looking good outside. However, I have to touch a little bit over here and then show you how that works. So you have a perfectly done on outside, and I think the results are just amazing. And then you have a little bit of left to do on inside over here. So that's why I said 90% done. But let me show you how this thing works. So here you have some Cape Cod that's wrapped in some kind of wax. Oh, by the way, if you want to do this, they recommend in the manual that you put some gloves, which is not bad if you want to keep your hands nice and clean. So this is what's gonna happen. You're gonna take this wool, which is right here, and all you gotta do, you just gotta rub it in right here. Now you see what I'm talking about? Okay, this is coming along really nice. So what's happening, I'm gonna just remove it for a second and show you what I'm talking about. Okay, now look, if you have that black thing coming off, I'm gonna just show you on the pad right here. Look, you have this black thing. That means you're working in. And before you destroy your microfiber towel, you want to take some damp Kleenex like this, and you're gonna just clean the excess like this. So I'm just doing a small area here, so I can show you what the results are what you're gonna be getting there. Now keep in mind, I'm gonna do this on edited version. And now look at right here what kind of results I'm getting. I hope the reflection in the camera is pretty decent. And again, like I said, all I had done, I've gone for about, again, I think I've gone for about, well, not even 10 seconds. And this is it. Now again, when you see this black residue coming off, that means that you're working in, and this is coming off. So some of you're working in the polish that's on the pad, the wool pad. And then again, I'm gonna just try to zoom in here. Look at the reflection. Now I purposely left some haze in there so you guys could see it. And then again, this is just unbelievable. And I also had done the my crank, which you can also see how it looks like, and I'm pretty happy. So this is it. I hope you found this useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. And I'm gonna do more of these videos on a vintage series to help you. Bye bye.